Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. So today we're gonna talk about how to create Doric Column in Revit. I think it would be interesting for this column. By the way, let's follow along together. Don't forget to hit subscribe button below and turn on notification for more about Revit. Okay, here I'm in Revit interface. Just go to family. But in the case we need to create two options for profile. One is for family, sorry, one is metric for column and another one is metric profile for create stream for create switch. Okay, so here I'm in column metric column family. So just a quick one, we go to extrusion here for create, then go to circle here, then I start from the center point like this, hit escape a couple times, then this one we just hit finish. Okay, again I'm going to my front view. This one I just drag like this, then lock, and this one as well. You align tool on my keyboard, AL for align, select here one and here one, then lock. Okay, so now we finish our column. Let's assign for material first. I'm going to use material here. I think like this is better. We assign a parameter one, create new one, then rename for material. Okay, then just hit OK, go to family type here, then here we change material. I'm gonna create a new material here, rename, let's say Doric Column texture like this. Go to appearance library, here. Okay, so as a browser is running, okay, here is appearance library, just click here twice, then we finding for stone here. Okay, so in the case I prefer this one like this, then hit close. Okay, I think it's look quite interesting. Just hit apply, then okay again, apply again, then okay. Fine. Okay, so now we finish our column already for family. Let's create another profile for switch here one and here one as well for bottom one and top one. Let's go to file here, then we go to new, go to family here. I'm going to use English again, finding for metric profile, this one, just hit clear a couple of times. Okay, here is our profile, so we need to draw. Let me check back for my profile first. I have in CAD file. By the way, I got put link on it in description, so after that you can download and study and learn to draw. Okay, here is our column that I want to create. Here is top. Okay, so let's zoom in. I switch back to my Revit. Okay, so actually I got screenshot for photo, so just import in, go to insert here, go to image, import image, then go. Okay, here is the top profile column, just open, then I just click here, easy for me to see this. Okay, so now let me start draw. Just simply draw for a quick one, go to create here, go to line, then this one I start, let's say I start 300 millimeter, then go down for 20. Okay, so okay, this one, use this one, radium as, then this one 30, like this one again 30 again, then like this. Okay, this one I think not see so clearly. Let's switch for use CAD file, it's better I think. Here use Alt and Tab for switch window. Okay, so this one we need to go in. This one 20. Okay, use line is better. Again I'm going to create continue for my line 20. into 20, turn bed. Okay, this one will be 50. We go back, then go into 20. I think this one we use 160. Just a quick one. I won't take dimension here. Here is 20, then here is 140 or 60. It's okay already. This one go 20, then use radium again. As radium again. Okay, 100. I think 120. Like this one. Okay, like this. Again, we go back. Okay, we go the wrong side already. Hit escape again. Go to radium again. This one just 100 like this. I think like this is better. Again, this one. Okay, same as our process here. Let's get a couple of time. This one I just copy from here like this one, and this one. Control key, CO for copy. Start from here, then connect to here. Hit escape a couple of times. Go to create again. LI on my keyboard, 4 line. Switch back to my. Okay, this one just go down like this one. I think I can see this one. Okay, like this. Go down 20, then go in 20. Go down around 50, I think. It's just like this. Then here we need to create this one. Go to just 20. Okay, sorry, I think we go wrong. DE on my keyboard for delete. Go LI on my keyboard for create this one. So like this. Why cannot draw? Okay, something like this. Okay, then we need to go in like this one. 20, and this one I think 10 is not. Okay, then we continue like this. Okay, I think here we need to delete. By the way, just create first. 80, then we come in like this. TR on my keyboard for stream and strength here. Then we select from our right side. Go to move here, then start from here. Okay, so I think it looks similar. Let's load into our family. Before load, I need to save first, then go to file, go to save here. This one I got created before. Go to top, just say top Doric profile. Okay, after that let me load and close. Okay, so now I start draw. I'm going to create sphere. Go to switch here, sketch path, go to circle, start from here like this. Hit escape a couple of times. Go to front view, just hit finish first, then change to profile. This one I just create. Go to 3D view. Okay, here is what we got. Actually, we need to assign our family material first, but we cost already. Okay, so later on we will loading bed. Just hit finish. Okay, so as you can see now our profile is run on the bottom. So how to show that? Easy way, you can check on your property panel here. Here you got vertical profile. This one, as I know, is our column is 4 meter, so I just offset 4 meter. Then hit apply. Okay, so here is what we got. Here is our what we got. This one I'm going to sign for material here. This one just sign the same material like this. Let's create another profile for our bottom. Here is our bottom Doric column. Okay, so let's go to speak back to my Revit auto Revit. Then I'm going to file here, go to new, create family. Again we find metric profile again, this one. Select here a couple times, followed into a family. This one, in this case I just import again. Okay, this one, okay, I think go wrong, insert again. Okay, this one just leave it clear. Okay, so let's draw together. In this case I just give this one just a quick one. I think 300 again. We just give it 300 millimeter first, and this one need to go down, use us, and then I think 50, 40, 60, 50 is enough. Okay, this one we go wrong again. DE on my keyboard for the LI for line command. Use this one, radium as, then like this. Yes, like this. Then we need to use our straight line. Come on. I think it's 30. Then go to us again. This one will be a bigger pics. This one will to 80, 40, and this one go in again. Need to go in, okay, like this. 25, yeah, okay, sorry. This one 20, 25, okay. Then go down around 15. Okay, so this one let's draw like this first. I think it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. Then just straight line again. I think this one we go wrong. Just adjustment like this. Okay, so again LI on my keyboard. This one just a quick tutorial. I hope you get that point. So don't mind me if I draw wrong. I just do a quick tutorial for you get the point for draw on your project. Okay, again. I think like this is enough. TR on my keyboard for stream and extend. Select, okay, this one. We go quite big actually. Move around a bit. Okay, something like this. Click like this. Go to move on your tab here. Go to here. Okay, so let's save for. I think it's now it's look quite similar. As you can see, we just do a quick one. Go to save. This one just rename for bottom Doric column profile. I'm going to load into my project here like this. Okay, so start again, create switch, go to switch, go to sketch pen again, then we use our circle again, start like this one, hit escape a couple times. I'm going to Okay, go to front. Okay, go to 3D. Just hit finish. Train our profile here. This one. Let's we offset here. Let's offset here 200. Okay, now enough. 250. I think it's 300 because we never measurement on our previous profile. That's why we need to do like this. Okay, this one I think 320. Yes, we almost there. Okay, the reason why I do like this because I don't want to open bed, load bed my profile. I think this one I need to move a bit like this. Okay, 3. Okay, now we got that point. Just hit finish. Okay, so we finish our Doric column here. Okay, so let's assign for family material. This one, this one. Okay, so now we finish all this. Let's turn on our realistic, and there you go. Okay, so look quite nice with the feature like action for I think around 1200, around 800 year before this column style. Okay, so it's pretty much for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to hit subscribe button below and turn on notification for more about Revit. I see you for the next tutorial. Thank you.